I see some familiar faces, like we are always late, for online conferences. Hello, Yelena. Hello, Nelu. Hello, Darko. And who else are there right now? I see only some people on the screen. But anyways, very good afternoon from India. I am in New Delhi right now. I happen to be traveling out of my country at times, and this is a wonderful initiative being jointly conceptualized by Nelu, Sasho, and myself. And I had a non-profit in New Delhi. It's called Caucasus Asia Center, and then we have been endeavoring to connect people and businesses between the greater Caucasus region and countries across Asia. Also, we have people like in other countries, like in Europe, etc., in some countries in Europe, etc. And once again, like I welcome all of you to this. I would say brainstorming discussion. Why I say this? At this juncture, things are opening up in many countries, and it is high time for us not just to discuss about things, but practically get moving. So we are starting this initiative, and we would be continuing this as an annual event. And this is what we envision, possibly as a physical event next year in Greece or Brussels. So we are keeping things lined up. And as far my role, I have been sharing some thoughts like how we may take it ahead, but all credit goes to Nelu, Shasho, and some of the interns who have been contributing to bringing together this conference. And I thank all of the speakers, moderators who have confirmed their participation. Now, just a quick point here. Why Western Balkans to Asia? Why Western Balkans to Asia, or why Caucasus? Now, these regions in course of history or even modern history, in recent decades, they have always been inclined towards connecting with European countries, and not much business has happened between, say, a country like even a country like Romania or Turkey, Kosovo, Serbia. So none of these countries have very active business relations with Asian countries, including frontier countries in Asia, such as Mongolia, etc. So this is an attempt to bring together people and create a critical mass of people with Henry just saying a few words like thanks, sir. So here we need to facilitate and create a system where we can connect these actors, like say from Serbia to a country like Mongolia, where I'm working right now. So we need to create such working mechanisms, and this is what the discussion is about. Like, how do we practically create these bridges? So I'll share some more thoughts like during the course of my session, but